12,000 years ago, during the last ice age, these islands were one landmass. As climates warmed, sea levels rose, and these separate fragments were formed. Borneo is the world's third largest island. Almost 3/4 is Indonesian territory. The rest is split between Malaysia and Brunei. It is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, surrounded by rich waters, teeming with tropical life. Extensive mudflats and mangrove habitats fringe these coastal areas. But what dominates this island is almost 400,000 square kilometers of ancient